Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the system commands. So what are these system commands? The system commands are those which are used in the Metasploit after opening the session. So let's check out here. I have already got the session and here you can see the system commands. There are totally 21 or 22 commands. Let's try it one by one. You can copy or type these commands. So here I am using the first command, that is clear log. This is nothing much, it will just clear the event logs which are presently running on the victim machine. Moving to the next command, that is drop underscore token. Copy it and then paste it. Press enter. So this drop command execute the function command underscore drop underscore token. It will execute the API call from client.system.config.drop underscore token. Here it is showing the relinquished tokens now running as sac pc/sac. Now moving to the next command, that is get PID. Everyone knows that what is get PID. This command will provide the processor ID of the current running processor. The current running process is the victim machine has a processor ID of 4600. And moving to the next command, that is get privileges. This command will help you to get the privileges. Here you can see some of the privileges. These privileges can be used for attacking purpose. Moving to the next command, that is get SID. The command SID stands for security identifier, or you can say it as a server ID. This command will provide the server SID. So here is the victim PC server ID S-1-5 and so on. Moving to the next command, get UID. The get UID command displays the user. So here it shows that the username as sacpc. And moving to the next command, that is local time. This command will show you the local time of a victim machine. So here you can see the time of the victim machine. Moving to the next command, that is system info. There is nothing much to explain about this. This command will give the system information of a victim device. Moving to the next command. So why I am showing the shutdown command at the last, because once if I shut down the victim PC, the session will be lost. So it will be difficult to handle the victim PC once again. Now pressing enter. Here I have made a small video over it. Now here you can see that the victim PC is getting shut down. Moving to my terminal, here you can see that the session has been broken. So that's all about the system commands present in the Metasploit. So make use of the system commands and have some fun. That's all in this video. Thank you.